In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors in Excalidraw. First, open your browser and head to excalidraw.com. When the page loads, you'll see a clean, minimal canvas. If you haven't loaded anything pre-made, it will be blank. That's normal. Excalidraw is designed to get out of your way, so you can focus on your ideas without distractions. To change colors, start by selecting something on the canvas. Click any element you want to modify. This could be a shape, a line, an arrow, or text. When it's selected, you'll notice a subtle outline and small handles around it, confirming that it's active. This is important because the color controls only apply to whatever is currently selected. Now look toward the toolbar at the top. You'll see color swatches that act as quick picks. These are the fastest way to adjust an element's appearance. Click a swatch to instantly apply that color. Many elements support both an outline color and a fill color, so if you see separate controls, use them to set the border and the inside color separately. For text, the color picker will change the text color itself. You'll see the changes update live on the canvas, so you can try a few options and decide what looks best. If you need something more precise, like a brand color or a very specific shade, open the color picker. This gives you fine-grained control. You can type a hex code directly if you know it, which is perfect for consistent styling across your drawings. There's also a transparency or opacity control. Drag the slider to make a color more or less see-through. This is great for layering shapes, creating emphasis without overwhelming the rest of your content, or softening backgrounds behind text. A quick tip, if you don't see a change, double-check that the element is selected. Also remember that some items, like simple lines, don't have a fill, so only the stroke color will update. If you're working with shapes that do have a fill and a border, make sure you're adjusting the intended control in the toolbar. The live preview is your friend. Use it to confirm you're changing the right property. That's all there is to it. Go to excalidraw.com, click to select your element, then choose a quick color from the swatches or open the color picker for exact hex codes and transparent effects. With just those tools, you can keep your diagrams clear, consistent, and visually engaging.